Next topic is what is the difference between breathing and respiration? Let's understand what exactly the difference between the two is. To begin with, I want to answer one simple question. How do we get energy to do most of the activities? Most of you will answer that the food we eat. But actually, food is the source of energy, which means energy is stored or locked inside the food. In order to derive the energy for food, it needs to be broken down, which requires oxygen. So we can say that process in which food is broken down in the cells with the help of oxygen to release energy is known as respiration. And how it is different from breathing? Breathing does not involve breakdown of food molecules inside the cells. In fact, breathing is purely exchange of gases. So the activity of inhalation and exhalation is known as breathing. Whereas deriving energy from food molecules with the help of oxygen is respiration. So from here we conclude that breathing is a part of respiration. Types of respiration. Respiration is classified on types based on its location. First is external respiration, internal respiration, and cellular respiration. External respiration occurs at the nasal level. The oxygen from the surrounding air is brought inside the nasal cavity and carbon dioxide is given out. This is called external respiration, which involves interaction with exterior world. Hence, it is also referred as breathing. Next is internal respiration, the one which occurs internally or inside the body. When the oxygen from the air reaches the lungs, it gets transported to the blood. Similarly, carbon dioxide from the blood is given out to the lungs, which extend to the nasal area. The oxygen then travels throughout the body and is delivered to the cells, and carbon dioxide is similarly taken away. This exchange of gases that occurs inside the lungs, blood, and cells is called internal respiration. Next is cellular respiration, the process in which oxygen is used to break down the food molecules in the cells is called cellular respiration. Many times, internal and cellular respiration are confused with each other, but now the difference is very clear.